Hello friends, welcome to our channel again. In this video I am going to show you HP LaserJet P1007 printer. It's continuous initializing. That means the motor is not stopping. The printer is in continuous initializing. So when we go for power on the printer motor is continuous running and it's not stopping. Hence you can see here the top of the fuser unit roller, it's not stopping, so it's continuous initializing. The printer is in continuous initializing problem. In this case we have replaced all power supplies and engine controllers PCBs, but there is no result. After that we got a same scanner assembly, same part number scanner assembly, and install it. You can see it's a same number, same part number scanner assembly, and we have installed it. And let's check. We have power on the printer and press the initialize button. Hence you can see the top of the fuser rollers, it's stopping and our problem is solved. You can see the top exit roller is running and stopping after 10 seconds. That means our problem is solved. And the main problem of continuous initialization is for the scanner unit. Hence you can repair the scanner unit by cleaning it properly, but it will work for a few days or may not be work. In this case you have to go for a new scanner unit assembly and install it, and our problem of continuous initialization will be solved out. Hence you can see our printer is ready, and we are going to give a test page in our printer. We have also properly checked the power units and engine controllers PCB, but final result is scanner unit. Once you can see the printer is ready and the engine test is giving the printing. So our print quality is very best. You can see from the engine test lines. So thank you very much.